What's the meaning of comprehensibility? Comprehensibility. Comprehensibility.
Comprehensibility. Comprehensibility. Comprehensibility refers to the quality of being understandable or easily grasped. It is a measure of how well a message can be interpreted and absorbed by its intended audience. Comprehensibility is important in areas such as education, communication, and technical writing, where information must be conveyed clearly and effectively. When information is comprehensible, it can be absorbed more easily, retained for longer periods of time, and used to make better decisions. Overall, comprehensibility is a critical factor in ensuring that messages are received and understood correctly.